So hi guys, this is I'm putting up the first travel vlog of mine on my channel. I'm done with the security check and I'm heading towards the lounge. So let's just meet over there. This is the first travel video that I am making today. So I am traveling from Hyderabad to Kuala Lumpur. So in this whole process I had applied for a travel visa which was through the Malaysian website. I'll paste the link in the description box. So it was the ENTRI visa that I had applied for, which is usually valid for like 15 days, and please don't quote me on that, or I'll give all the description of it. So it is usually valid within a period of 3 months, and it's valid for a visit for a maximum of 15 days in Kuala Lumpur, be it anywhere you go in the city. So that's there. So that is what I had applied for. Currently I'm out there in the lounge. I'm just having my food. My flight will start boarding in maybe next half an hour, and I'll catch the flight and I'll meet you then. So I'll keep everything updated, and this is the first time I'm putting a vlog, so a bit awkward for me. People do watch, but I'll try to do my best and keep you guys posted on everything, on what my activities are, and surely I will keep you entertained on that. So well, support me guys if you can, and I'll just have my food, grab it and catch the flight, and see you later in the flight itself. Bye. So I've just got my seat. It's 22A and it's 11:35 in the night, and we are taking a flight now. I've got a good window seat, although the view is not that good right now, but it's going to take around 4 hours and 45 minutes, and I'll be reaching to Malaysia by maybe 7 a.m. in the morning, and meet you then. See you over there. I'll take a nap and just see you over there, and we'll start the day now. Bye guys. Finally landed up. Okay, Kuala Lumpur. It's 7:45 in the morning right now. Sorry, I got it wrong. 6:45 in the morning, and I will be heading out, going to the Gordon. Let's catch you there. It's a tiring flight. So finally done with the immigration, and took a long process. So it was like 45 minutes standing over there, and then we had done the process, and now I'm on my way out. So I will be using a Grab to go to my hotel, and see you there. I'll keep you posted guys. So hey guys, I finally checked into the hotel, and let me give you a room tour today. Let's go. So the keys. This is my room number 107. Checking in. So this is my room. So starting here, this is a small dining area. You can have your food. It's a light. Let me open some lights. How it looks. And coming here, it's got a small closet, and this is the kitchen. This is my room. this is some of the stuff which I bought and went out for shopping. This is it. Let me show you my bathroom too. This is the bathroom. Here's the shower area. This is the second area. So I'll show you the view outside as well. So this is how it's outside in the day. So I hope you guys like the room. This was a small room too, which I was supposed to get. So here it is. So signing out for now.